Introducing SmartWeld, the cutting-edge Industry 4.0 solution revolutionizing the welding industry. Meet SmartWeld, your gateway to smarter welding operations without the hassle. This plug-and-play innovation instantly transforms any arc welding machine, even those older legacy models, into a real-time IoT-enabled powerhouse. No rewiring, no downtime, just instant, actionable visibility right across your welding floor. Whether you're aiming to modernize your production line or simply gain better oversight, SmartWeld gives you control without compromise. No disruptions, no complicated installs, just smarter welding starting today. Here's why SmartWeld is a true game changer in welding operations. Track arc time, machine performance, and production targets in real time. Ensure WPS compliance to reduce defects by up to 30%. Eliminate costly, unplanned downtime with proactive system alerts, lower production costs, and recover your ROI in under 6 months in most deployments. With SmartWeld, you're not just welding. You're building a smarter, more efficient production line, one that's ready to take your operations to the next level. SmartWeld powers continuous operational improvement using the PDCA framework: plan, do, check, act. Management gains instant visibility into deviations, enabling faster, smarter decisions that drive productivity, quality, and cost efficiency. And this is just the start. In future updates, we're integrating AI-driven processes, unlocking a whole new world of benefits through intelligent data insights. SmartWeld is more than a tool, it's the future of smarter, more efficient operations. If your organization values productivity, quality, and cost optimization, let's talk. Book a 15-minute demo and see how SmartWeld can deliver immediate impact.